Organizational design plays a crucial role in a company's ability to scale, innovate, and remain competitive. Some of the most successful companies have implemented unique organizational structures that align with their business strategies, allowing them to adapt to changing market conditions. In this lesson, we'll explore case studies of well-known companies that have leveraged effective organizational design to drive growth, efficiency, and innovation. Case Study 1. Google, the power of a hybrid structure. Google has long been recognized for its innovative culture and flexible organizational design. It follows a hybrid organizational structure that combines elements of a functional and matrix structure to balance stability with creativity. Functional structure at the core. Google organizes its core teams into specialized functions such as engineering, sales, and marketing. This allows for expertise development and efficient resource management. Matrix influence for cross-functional collaboration. Employees work across multiple teams on projects, fostering collaboration between different departments. This ensures innovation while maintaining clear functional leadership. Decentralized decision-making. Google's culture encourages employees to take ownership of ideas, leading to products like Gmail and Google Maps, which originated from internal innovation initiatives. Key takeaway: a hybrid structure allows for both stability and creativity, making it ideal for companies in fast-paced, innovation-driven industries. Case Study 2. Amazon, a customer-centric divisional structure. Amazon has structured itself into multiple divisions based on products and services, such as Amazon Web Services, AWS, Amazon Prime, and Amazon Retail. This divisional structure enables the company to focus on different business lines while maintaining operational efficiency. Customer-obsessed approach. Each division operates independently, allowing teams to tailor strategies to specific customer needs. Two-pizza rule. Teams are kept small enough that 2 pizzas can feed them, to encourage efficiency, faster decision-making, and autonomy. Scalability through leadership principles. Amazon emphasizes a leadership-driven approach where every decision aligns with its customer-first philosophy. Key takeaway: a divisional structure is ideal for large-scale businesses that operate in multiple sectors, ensuring focus and customer alignment while maintaining agility. Case Study 3. Netflix, the culture of freedom and responsibility. Netflix follows a loosely hierarchical but highly autonomous structure that prioritizes freedom and responsibility. Minimal bureaucracy. Netflix avoids excessive rules and focuses on hiring top talent who are empowered to make decisions. No fixed vacation policies. Employees are trusted to take time off as needed, reinforcing a culture of accountability rather than rigid oversight. Rapid adaptation to market changes. Netflix shifted from DVD rentals to streaming and later to content production by leveraging its agile structure. Key takeaway: a flexible, talent-driven structure works well for industries that require constant innovation and adaptability. Case Study 4. Spotify, the squad model for agile innovation. Spotify operates under a unique squad, tribe, chapter model to foster agility and innovation. Squads, small autonomous teams focused on specific projects or features. Tribes, groups of squads that work in related areas to maintain alignment. Chapters and guilds. Employees with similar expertise across different squads collaborate to share knowledge. This structure ensures rapid iteration and continuous innovation while keeping teams flexible. Key takeaway: agile organizational structures work well in fast-evolving industries like technology and software development. Case Study 5. Tesla, a highly centralized yet fast-moving organization. Tesla maintains a highly centralized structure where major decisions flow through CEO Elon Musk. Despite its centralization, Tesla remains highly agile. Direct communication across levels. Employees can communicate directly with Musk, reducing bureaucratic delays. Vertical integration. Tesla controls most of its supply chain, allowing for innovation in battery production, self-driving technology, and manufacturing. Rapid decision-making. Unlike traditional automotive companies, Tesla speeds up production cycles through tight internal control. Key takeaway: centralized structures can work in industries where rapid decision-making and innovation are critical. Final thoughts. These case studies highlight that no single organizational structure works best for every company. The key to success lies in aligning structure with strategy, culture, and industry needs. Whether through hybrid models, agile squads, or decentralized decision-making, businesses that optimize their organizational design can scale effectively and remain competitive. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to diagnose organizational design problems and implement improvements for long-term success.